Hey Mark, good morning, Otis here. Wanted to give you an update on some hinge information. So since, like me, your hinges have been pulled and the dry lubricant taken away, they may start to squeak again in the future, but since the dry lubricant's already gone, there's an easy answer for that. Here, I'm going to show you. Okay, so the only tools you need are paper towel and a light lubricating oil. I got the really cool 3-in-1 in the metal can from the 60s, whatever. Anywho, you come over to your hinges and the joints here where the door hinge and the frame hinge meet up, all you do is you go in and you put just the slightest drop of oil in there. And you do that on each one. And what happens is capillary action sucks that in. So like you can put a little, drive it up just a little bit to allow a few more seconds for the capillary action to take place. But then all you do is you wipe off that excess. And if your door was squeaking, you do that, and then you just exercise it a little bit, and the squeak will go away. If the squeak doesn't go away immediately, just allow the lubricant that you've put in there to set for a couple hours and then exercise it, and the squeak goes away.